There was this girl called Delice. She loved to take pictures and selfies of her home and post it on YouTube. She would wear revealing clothes and do very complicated dances. But little did she know, there was a stalker stalking her through the window named Keta. Until one day, Keta came to Delice's house and went undercover as her friend. Then suddenly told Delice to wear a white blindfold. Delice said yes and decided to put it on. Keta threw Delice in the closet. She was screaming for help and she couldn't take the blindfold off. She called for Keta but no answer. Then a weird lady in a black suit checked on Delice. Then that was the day Delice was not seen again.